Alright, what is going on, fam? So today I made $6,700 today. Took 3 trades, actually 4 trades: SPY, Nvidia, Amazon, and SPY again. Beautiful trades. We had Jay made 63 bucks, 150 bucks from Akram. Biggest green day yet, first 3 digit. I told them live in it, sit in there for a minute. $440, 540 bucks. Crazy numbers, right? Crazy numbers, and the day is not even over yet. Hey, the day is not even over. There's 3 hours still to go. It's 1 o'clock that I'm actually recording this. So anyway, let's talk about the trades that I took, the reason why I took them, and how we were trading them. First things, how we were trading them. We were trading them live. I was on voice with everybody, and hey, we all made money together. Otherwise, there's no fun, bro. You see what I'm saying? Hey, it's much more easy when you make money together. It's just like the team spirit goes, right? Anyway, so the first trade that I took on SPY, this is going to be a full source. You know, I don't like to hold anything from nobody. So the first trade that we took on SPY was this right here, the 830-ish level, where we kind of gapped up on this 830. We rejected it there, right here. And now I had this level on watch for 2 different reasons. First was, actually, let's go and do a live walkthrough of this trade. Okay, so the market's about to open, and we had a very strong candle, and it was strong candle compared to what was happening on QQQs. It was very strong candle. QQQs were weak, Apple, a lot of names were weak, but SPY was like very, very strong. So now I can clearly see it's strong. Now the next candle happened, and we had this big wick thing right here. Now there was a confluence. Confluence is simply, what's the meaning of confluence is when more than 2 critical levels, or 2 or more than 2 critical levels, are sitting at the same price point. That's called confluence. Alright, so in this case this became a confluence. Why? It was a pre-market ish level, and it was also a level from the morning where we rejected like first 10 minutes, right? And if you extend this line a little bit, it was also a level yesterday which was getting respected. We rejected and then had a trouble breaking through, then bounced above this area as well. Alright, so this is the reason why I was watching this, and bang, straight up it broke out of this. Sweet. Now I sold around this 451-ish area, or a little bit higher. It was quick little 20-25% trade. The reason why I sold this, now I could have held this, could have made way more money. The reason why I sold this, to be honest, there was no volume. Look at this volume. Like what? Like if you're making new highs on the day, I want to see some solid volume. You get what I'm saying? So 20-25% first trade on the day, took small size. Now the tone is set up for the day. This is one thing, write it down. When you take the first trade on the day, always do small size, just in case you're red on that particular trade. It does not let your emotions take over. Alright, so if it's small red, it's easy to recover from a small red than a big red. So first trade on the day, set the mood for the day. Alright, you know how they say, test the waters. Like when you're about to jump in a pool, you go, oh yeah, it's alright, and then you go. You get my point? This is the first trade. Now let's talk about the second trade I took on SPY. So this was right here. This was a trade that I missed. I wanted to get in. I didn't get in because I was looking at Nvidia at the stage, and the Nvidia trade ended up, we didn't take the trade, but I missed this trade. And we had Shadona in a chat. She took this play, but I missed this. Anyway, let's talk about it. Why? This is very strong. This is very, very strong. And then it pulled back heavy, right? As you can see, this is not a fancy video. This is just like a quick little money video. So hope you appreciate that. So throw the thumbs up and subscribe. Why not? Anyway, so as you can see right here, it pulled back. It pulled back to our level, the critical level that we were watching. It pulled back to a level. You could have entered here, but just in case you're looking for extra confirmation, sweet. It made this a huge bullish candle, and this is a bullish candle. Why? Because at one stage this candle was red. You see this? At one stage this candle looked like this, and then the buyers came in, boom, they pushed the price up. Now what should you watch on these levels? Something like this. You should always keep an eye on the candle's high. Right? Keep an eye on the candle's high. If the candle's high is taken over, if you understand price action, you're gonna push. Right? What happened? Let's see. Boom. Again. Now it started pulling back. This is huge, nice, very nice move. It started pulling back here. Right? It started pulling back. Now I missed this trade. Right? I wanted to catch this, but I was watching something else. Now I missed this trade. So this is where a second trade came in, because if you know me as a trader, I'm not somebody who's gonna literally enter and pay the top prices. This is not me. So after every impulse wave, there's always gonna be a pullback. And if you know how to trade the pullbacks, you'll be able to catch the next move. You get what I'm saying? So I was waiting for a little pullback so I can enter. Now I'll explain to you how you can catch this, so you can go out there, make some money. And if you make money, hey, you will come back for more videos, you'll make more money, you'll come back for more videos, you'll make more money. That's my goal. I want to help everybody, man, to be honest. I made $6,700 today. I have no selfish reason to be making these videos. The only reason that I have, to be honest, is I want to help as many people. Now you may ask, why? Okay, to give you a best answer, I want to create connections all over the globe. Alright, I'm 24 years old. By the time I'm 45, I want to know at least 100 most influential and the richest people across the world, so I can just make one phone call. Someone sitting in Dubai, hey man, we need to get this done. No problem. That's my goal. I'm thinking of a long-term play, 20 years down the line. You see what I'm saying? So, hope you enjoy it. Anyway, so what we did on SPY here, we were waiting for a little pullback. The pullback happened. As you can see, there's buyers here, right? You see this? There's buyers here. But on every single candle, the sellers are kind of slowing down. Do you see the wick on the top? So huge wick, a little bit smaller, a little bit smaller, a little bit smaller, and very smaller. And every single time, the buyers are kind of going strong. On every single candle, the sellers are slowing down, buyers are going strong. What happens? If the buyers are going strong, pray, watch for the candle highs to break. Okay, watch for the bids and asks both above the candle high. Right? Previous candle high is always a very strong level. It's called micro resistance, micro support, whatever you want to call it, right? So 451.7 was the level we were watching, because it's a micro resistance level right now. I wanted to see bids and asks both above this level. If your bids and asks both gets above this level, on the level 2, that's a strong sign. And right on this candle, it looks like it kind of broke above. I promise you, the ask went above this level. The bids never went above. The bids are the buyers. Bids push the prices up, right? It's like an auction. The bidders, they're pushing the prices up, right? So bids were not ready to push the prices up, so we didn't take a trade. But I was still watching this level. Now the level changed to the previous candle high right here, right? Now I knew for a fact, if this breaks the high of the day, this is a literally next move 451.93, which is yesterday's high. If that breaks, it's gonna go to next level 452.5 hourly level. That was over a year ago. It been at that level. Anyway, sweet. Now let's see what happened. It broke through, and we are in the trade now. It broke this level, sweet. Now it's kind of playing around this level, right? It broke through that with a lot of volume. Look at how volume's picking up. You see how the volume's picking up? Bang. That means very strong, very, very strong. Okay, we were in this trade. We were in the trade. This was like 100% trade. This is where most of the money that I made on the day came from. Then it pulled back. Now, if you're somebody, you'll be like, man, I'm so scared. I don't want to lose this money. That's not how you should be thinking. Pull back, sweet. Now, pullback's happening on a low volume. Again, this candle turned into a bullish candle. Now, where would you enter if you have to enter? Previous candle's high. So it would be right here, right? This is exactly what we did in the chat. I told everybody, I'm like, hey, if you missed this move, this is going to be the move that you will be able to catch, right? boom, straight up. Right, sweet. I'm giving you the sauce right now. I hope you're not sleeping on this. I promise you. Write this down. Previous candle highs, especially on a bullish long, like this bullish day, very very important on the pullbacks. Right, now what happened? Pulled up. This around here, it started consolidating. Also had a level about 452.5. I sold that. I was like, man, I'm done. I'm tired. You know, I hardly ever stay till 11 o'clock. Freedom is everything for me. And I was out. Now, after this, what happened? We had this bullish candle. I was out. I'm just like trying to review this trade with you that you could have caught. This bullish candle, you see the bulls. Same thing from the morning repeating. Right, same thing over and over again. Bulls are taking over. Boom. Same thing repeating over and over again. You need to learn how to trade these things. Okay, you need to learn how to trade these things. Of course, if the previous candle high breaks on level 2 with bids and asks. Right, I hope you appreciate this. So this was a very solid trade, very good trade. Now the second trade on the day came from, this was like 2 trades. I broke down basically the whole price action with you. So you're welcome. Now, just if you actually want to say thank you to me, I subscribe to the channel, because 90% of the viewers that I get, they're not subscribed. Are you serious, man? Come on. Or you don't. Anyway, so the other trade that we took was, I believe it was Nvidia and Amazon. Yeah, I'll talk about Amazon. The reason why I took trade on Amazon was same thing. 5-minute candle. I'm just zooming in a little bit, but I watch 5-minute charts. So I'm zooming in, so you see we were in a bearish trend. You see this? We were in a bearish trend right here. Bearish trend. This white line is a VWAP. On the VWAP, we are seeing these sellers. There's sellers, big sellers approaching. The moment this breaks the candle low, as I said, it's just other way around on the SPY. The moment it breaks this candle low, we're gonna head down. Wait, what happened? The moment it broke the candle low, bang, straight to our level, straight to the zone from the morning. Whew, money. This is money. Imagine me calling out these plays in the real time. 7 days for free. First link in the bio, in the description box below. Why not? Why wouldn't you do that? Don't worry, I don't want to say that. Alright, beautiful trade. We got out. The next trade was Nvidia. So Nvidia, I was looking for this. Now the trend was down, set for the day. Trend was down. Boom, bam. Alright, now it's pulling back. It's making this flag type thing. This candle turned bearish, and it's about to break this. And I was like, if this breaks this candle low right here, the candle's low. If it breaks the previous this particular candle low, after the break of this little flag, it can head down. This is exactly where we entered. We entered here. What happened? It head down to our previous zone-ish area, and it's a $2 move. This looks like a small move. This wasn't a small move. Alright, and the premiums paid. Alright, beautiful move. Now, these were the 4 trades that we made. I hope you like this. I hope you enjoy this. And if you do want to join the Discord 7-day for free, me calling out these plays live in the chat and on voice, no brainer. I don't know. Check the first link in the description box below, and peace. Bye. There's no fancy edits, so I'm sorry. Bye. You have to put up with me now. Goodbye.